Gleam.io Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's get straight to the review. Gleam.io is a powerful marketing platform designed to help e-commerce businesses grow through viral giveaways, loyalty programs, and engagement tools. While it's not a traditional dropshipping tool, it plays a crucial role in customer acquisition and retention, making it highly valuable for dropshipping businesses. If you struggle with traffic, conversions, or customer engagement, Gleam can help by boosting brand awareness, collecting leads, and incentivizing sales through gamified marketing campaigns. Features. One of Gleam's core features is its Giveaways app, which allows businesses to create viral contests that encourage social sharing, email sign-ups, and customer engagement. The Rewards app lets store owners offer incentives for specific actions, such as following on social media, leaving reviews, or referring friends. Perfect for increasing brand loyalty. The Capture app is a lead generation tool that helps collect emails and retarget potential customers, essential for long-term growth. Lastly, the Gallery app enables user-generated content marketing by showcasing customer photos and videos, boosting social proof and trust. Gleam's biggest advantage is its automation and ease of use. The platform integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, as well as email marketing tools like Klaviyo and MailChimp. Its gamification approach makes marketing feel interactive, encouraging organic growth without heavy ad spending. Another strength is data collection. Gleam helps businesses build valuable email lists and audience insights that can be used for future retargeting. Additionally, the ability to integrate with multiple social media platforms increases brand visibility and engagement. Weaknesses. The biggest downside is pricing. Gleam's free version is limited, and the more advanced plans can get expensive, especially for new dropshippers. Additionally, while the platform is user-friendly, setting up effective campaigns requires strategy. Poorly designed giveaways can attract low-quality leads instead of genuine customers. Lastly, platform restrictions may apply, as some social networks have specific rules regarding giveaways, meaning compliance is crucial. Final verdict. Gleam.io is an excellent marketing tool for dropshippers looking to increase engagement, grow their email lists, and drive sales through viral campaigns. If you have a solid strategy and budget for a premium plan, it can be a game changer for your business. Check out the links in the description to learn more.